Hey, hello, welcome back. So in the previous video, we started to take that single file mini demo and break it into like some pretty good systems, I would say, pretty robust systems. But like I said, this is still based on the paradigm of throwing data at systems. What I want to do in this video is I want to take all of this data, put it into a common place, and then when I construct the systems to give them the data up front, and then when I tell them to update, they have a reference to the data. Okay, now the way I'm going to do this, I'm sort of circling into an entity component system architecture slowly, but the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to construct something called a component registry. So I'll go ahead, make a new file. And there's nothing fancy about a component registry. The only thing it does is holds all my data. It's like a big shared database. So I'll grab all this data and I'll define it in my component registry. And then I will go ahead and create one of those. And then what I'll do is upon creation for all of these things, I will give them access to that data. But then when it comes time to update them, I no longer need to give them any data. They already have the region that they need. So I'll step through this one bit at a time. I'll go to my, I'll do this the lazy way. So I'll go camera system, just for all of them. Okay, so let's go to the camera system, for instance, and then we'll give it an initializer. And what that initializer will do is it will pretty much save a reference to the NumPy arrays that we need. Just like that. It's as simple as that. But what I'm doing here is I'm trying to get my data external to my app. It's on a database, it's somewhere else. Okay, let's do the same thing with the input system. Now the really cool thing is every method within this system has access to that info already, so we can really simplify a lot of these calls. There you have it. You can basically see what I'm doing here. I'll just go ahead and finish everything off. There we go. fingers crossed, I think that's fine, but pretty much all I did is apply the same pattern across the board. So upon creation, I fetch the NumPy arrays that I need, and then internally some of these functions may still take data, but definitely the update function should not for any of them. Unless it's really necessary, I guess. But anyway, so yeah, nothing too exciting. We get the same thing. This isn't even going to really affect performance because the overhead of Python at this point for this small number of objects would overwhelm any benefits. But at least we have the benefit that the system is cleaner, things are more decoupled. Ironically, by centralizing our data, we have sort of decoupled it to an extent. And yeah, it's easier to work with. So from this point forward, I'm going to start digging into an actual real life project. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. All right, so all the best, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.